Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn and Foodie Channel. Today we are going to make some Arroz Valenciana. This recipe is usually served during weddings or Christmas or New Year's or birthdays, mostly in special occasions, but today we are making it just because we want to make some. So if you have ingredients, you don't have to have a special occasion to have this recipe, so let's go make some today. Let's start with our ingredients. We have at least 6 cups of fully cooked glutinous rice, chicken thighs, I cut it up in chunks, pork liver, I cut it up in chunks, chicken hearts cut up in small pieces, fully cooked pork belly cut up in small pieces, chicken gizzard cut up in small pieces, and this is fully cooked too. One small red bell pepper cut up in cubes, 1/4 cup peas, 1/4 cup raisins, 4 garlic minced, half a white onion chopped, 2 bay leaf, 1 can coconut milk, 2 boiled eggs, 1 teaspoon black pepper, it's a ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons turmeric, 1 cup chicken broth, some fish sauce for seasoning. So in our preheated pan, we pour in 2 tablespoons of oil. We can add in our chopped onion. Let's add in our garlic. This is 4 cloves garlic chopped. And let's add our chicken. Let's cover this and let it cook for at least 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we can add our chicken hearts. And the gizzard. Simmer for a few minutes before we start adding more of the ingredients. Next, we can add in our pork. And our red bell pepper, our raisins, the bay leaf, our turmeric, and the ground black pepper. Let's stir this for a bit. And we can go ahead and add our coconut milk. And we'll season it with at least 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Here's the 1 tablespoon fish sauce. So we'll cover this and let this simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can go ahead and add in our 1 cup chicken broth. And let this simmer for a few more minutes. Let's add in our liver. Stir it. Okay. And leave it for a few minutes to simmer. Put in our peas, and then we can slowly add our fully cooked glutinous rice. There you go, guys, this is done. Now we can transfer this into a serving plate, and we'll put eggs on top. We're adding our boiled egg.